Steven, with respect to drone and aerial footage, okay, what regulations or licensing should agents and media partners be aware of with the New York and Long Island area?
So licensing with a drone, pretty much there's very bunch of like too many unique licenses, but the most that matters, or like I can simplify it the best way for a real estate agent, is that sometimes properties that are really too close to the airports may not be able to get drone shots or even video at all. We can get as close as possible, but even anybody with the highest license and even with the lowest or even none can't even get close to the airport. It's just FAA rules
Right.
where those are the only things where I can simplify the most. Sometimes, like let's say if you're too close, or there's other regulations where you can fly almost near outer space. Those are different. Like let's say like licenses where if I can go like one by one. But let's say where it really does matter. Let's say for to a real estate agent, it's just that properties are too close to like let's say like even right here in MacArthur,
Mm-hmm.
or like let's say the one in JFK, Gordia, anything near an airport that's like maybe a vicinity of like a couple blocks, it can affect because the thing is we just can't fly it up there. So I always double check before I go to the properties. Like let's say the oh my gosh, the property address. I check. I make sure that it's not too close to an airport. It rarely happens, but it does happen.
Mm-hmm.
I was actually I was near the JFK today. And I came and lifted up the drone. So that was one thing, but the weather as well, where you just got to be aware with the weather, where the drone, even we us putting it in the water, it just can damage the drone as well.
Yeah.
It's just so weather does affect, but what we do is we just try to schedule everything accordingly. We always check the weather. We always try to make sure we don't have to go through any of those hiccups. So that's why I always give you a head time where it's just like, okay, look, you're too close to the airport, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. Let me try when I'm there. I'm always gonna bring it.
Mm-hmm.
All of them are always included, the drone shots, but it's just this circumstance where it's just more like not even if you hire anybody else could even do it. So that's just a just fixed rule where we can't go too close to an airport. But those are the only regulations and anything with licensing that a real estate agent should know. But other than that, then that's it.